Good morning. I've been working on this power supply for quite a while now, and it's got lots of problems. I've replaced the fuse, the resistor, the diodes, the MOSFET, the opto coupler. It's still not working. I can't figure it out at all what's gone wrong with this, but I'm not going to give up on it. One of the biggest problems was the fuse. Every time I plugged it in, the fuse blew. So there was a short circuit on the board, and I went through a few fuses, and I added these fuse connectors because the fuse was originally just soldered through. But to stop us from going through all the fuses, I did a bit of research, and I came up with a load lamp. So a load lamp is used for when you've got an item with a short circuit. You plug the load lamp in, and if there's a short circuit on the device, it pulls too much current. And when it pulls too much current, the bulb lights up. So the bulb lights up rather than the fuse burning out. So to save me fuses, the bulb lights up. So this is the one I came up with. Obviously, if you're going to build one, don't build it like this. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to update this. I've got some new fittings for it. So we're going to get rid of this, get rid of all the wire, and we're going to test it out. So this is absolutely terrible. So we're going to start off by dismantling this. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just going to take this out. Take this all apart. So the bulb holder, the bulb is just connected straight through into the live, as you can see on the brown here. So we'll undo these. I've got a nice new back box, and a nice new single socket to go in there too. So how shall we do this? We'll do it like that. That can stay where it is. And we'll just wire that up. So I've got some old print. Let's undo this. I think we'll get rid of this inline switch. I'll give myself enough cable to go from the that's what I'll do. So I've got enough cable to go. I'll put a plug on here. I'll wire that up into there. And I'll wire that through into there. If I can carefully snip. There. I've just caught the blue insulation, which is not what I wanted to do. However, I'll put a little bit of tape on there. Just snip that. There we go. Look at that in there. That's it. So there's our bulb holder lined up with the inline. That's going to go back onto there. Like that. there's our bulb holder, and our socket is going to go here. So we'll smash that out. And I hate these. So always a mess. Put that on there, that'll stay on there. I've got a couple of screws. I'll try me let me draw. There we go. We'll dress this socket, I think is what the proper terminology is. Pull these wires back. Do that one again. Actually, I'll use me proper gadget. There we go. So neutral is blue. And live or line. And the last section is just to put the plug back on. Okay, so all going well. If I will try this out, we'll get the power supply set up. This is the this is the power supply for the board, and I've got a switch for the board. Now this board's faulty, but it will draw current, and when I switch it on, we should see the bulb flash up briefly and then go out. If there was a short circuit on the board, it would draw current all the time, and the light would stay on. So if I've done this right, if I switch this on, we should see a bulb light up. Now I don't know if you picked that up on camera, but it flashed up just for a second or half a second while I switched this on. So I know that it's working, and I know that there isn't a short supply on this board because the bulb's gone out. But if the bulb had stayed lit, I would have known that there was a short circuit on this board. But noticeably, if there was a short circuit, the fuse wouldn't have blown, the bulb would have stayed on as it drew the excess current. And that's all I've got for today's video. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one.